Good evening and welcome to our continuing coverage of India's evolving digital landscape. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has proposed a new set of rules that could change the way you share information online forever. The Draft Digital Personal Data Protection Rules 2025. Let's break down what these new rules mean for you, your privacy, and the power of the state. The new draft rules flesh out the 2023 rulebook, focusing on one big priority: empowering you, the user, with greater control over your personal data. From online shopping to social media sign-ups, companies legally termed as data fiduciaries must clearly tell you what they're collecting, why they need it, and how it will be used. No more walls of complicated text hidden behind "I agree" buttons. Instead, you'll now get straightforward notices that you can actually understand. For everyday internet users, this marks as a pivotal shift. Imagine instantly knowing where your details go each time you click sign up or log in with Google. That's the promise behind these draft rules. One of the major highlights is the concept of consent managers. Picture a trusted government-registered company giving you a single dashboard to manage every permission you've granted across the web. Want to revoke an app's access to your photos? Or check which businesses have your phone number? A consent manager lets you do all this in one place. This could be a game changer for anyone tired of going through an app setting and privacy policies. With a consent manager in your corner, you regain the power to say no at any time. No data regime is perfect and breaches happen. However, if your data is ever compromised, the new draft rules demand a quick transparency. Companies must promptly inform you, explaining what went wrong, how it might affect you, and what steps to take to stay safe. Meanwhile, they're also bound to report the incident to the Data Protection Board within 72 hours, keeping things out in the open. This can help you take faster action, secure your passwords, and freeze your credit cards if information is stolen. So is this it? Is this the perfect data protection rulebook? The answer is no. These new set of rules are controversial too. The state can process your personal data under these new rules to issue subsidies, benefits, or official documents. While some praise this as a necessary step to reduce bureaucratic delays and minimize fraud, critics worry it may push India closer to a surveillance-driven model. So it poses the next simple question. If the government has broad access to citizens' personal data, could it be misused? Well, advocates argue that strict standards and retention limits are in place. Yet, privacy experts insist that we pay attention to how these powers evolve, urging transparency and oversight to protect civil liberties. But for everyday users, the bottom line is more privacy, more clarity, and stronger security overall. Whether India can usher in a new golden age of digital rights with these rules, or are there any hidden pitfalls we haven't discovered yet, only time will tell. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and let us know in the comments what you think about these sweeping changes.